Have you ever wondered who was the first human to walk on this earth? The answer, like the process behind it, is far from simple. In fact, it's a tale spanning millions of years, a saga of evolution and adaptation. It all started with our ape-like ancestors, whose lives were shaped by the same forces that shape all life on Earth: genetic mutation and natural selection. Over countless generations, small changes accumulated, slowly transforming these creatures into something more familiar. Imagine a tree with branches twisting and turning, each one representing a different evolutionary path. Our ancestors clambered up one such branch, their bodies and minds gradually changing to cope with new environments, new challenges. Their brains grew larger, their postures straightened, and their hands became capable of precise manipulation. These changes weren't overnight miracles, but the result of countless years of survival and reproduction. So the first human didn't just appear one day, but was the result of countless years of evolution. So who was this first human that we speak of? Let's rewind the clock back around 300,000 years ago. This was when a new species, Homo sapiens, made their grand entrance onto the world stage. They were not the first hominids. Our ancient family tree had many branches, but these were our direct ancestors, the ones who set the stage for us. Unlike their predecessors, these Homo sapiens were physically more like us. They were taller, had a more upright posture, and their brains were larger, indicating a higher cognitive ability. This set them apart, giving them an edge in a world where survival was the only game in town. But it wasn't just about survival. These early humans were thinkers, innovators. They used tools, created art, and communicated using complex language. They were capable of abstract thought, which allowed them to plan, to strategize, and to dream. This cognitive leap was significant, as it laid the groundwork for everything that makes us human today. These Homo sapiens didn't stay put in one place for long. They had a wanderlust that drove them out of Africa and into the vast unknown. This migration was no small feat. They braved deserts, crossed mountains, and sailed across oceans. They settled in new lands, faced new challenges, and adapted. Their footprints spread across the globe, from the hot savannas of Africa to the icy tundra of Siberia. And as they traveled, they interacted with other hominid species they encountered along the way. They learned, they adapted, and they thrived. Over thousands of years, these early Homo sapiens evolved, diversified, and gave rise to the rich tapestry of human cultures we see today. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember this: you carry within you the legacy of these first humans, the first Homo sapiens. They were explorers, survivors, innovators, and dreamers. They faced the unknown with courage and curiosity, traits that we, their descendants, still possess today. And there you have it, the first Homo sapiens, our direct ancestors, walking the same earth we do today. Isn't it fascinating how we came to be? If you're enjoying this journey through time, make sure to tap that like button. It's a small gesture, but it goes a long way in helping us share these captivating stories of our past. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening insights into the world of science. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts on human evolution. Your support helps us bring more such intriguing topics to you. So, let's take a moment to marvel at our journey as a species. We've traveled far, both in time and understanding, from the birth of humanity to the rise of the first Homo sapiens. Our existence didn't just happen overnight. It was a gradual process, filled with evolution, adaptation, and survival. A story written in the very fabric of our DNA. We began as a humble creature, navigating the primordial world, learning and adapting. Over millions of years, we evolved into the Homo sapiens, a species with an unparalleled capacity for thought, communication, and innovation. This journey from humble beginnings to the apex of life on Earth is the story of us. It's a story of resilience, of curiosity, of the insatiable human spirit. Understanding our roots is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about understanding who we are and where we come from. It gives us perspective, helps us appreciate the diversity and unity of the human race, and most importantly, reminds us of our shared heritage. In the grand scheme of things, we're all branches of the same tree, leaves of the same book, threads in the tapestry of life. Our individual stories might be different, but they're all part of the same grand narrative. Remember, we all share a common ancestor, and that makes us all part of one big human family. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.